silence hums beneath the trees. My heart beats slow, the earth in my hands, still as the breath of ancient seas. You came like dawn with feathers of the soul, eyes were flooding skies I've never known. Your laughter touched the edge of my soul, and I forgot I was alone. Sometimes I want to sing your name. Sometimes I coil in the dark underground, dreaming your wings through the flame. If you sat beside my stone, you'd feel the heat of all I've known. Every silence I ever kept, a prayer I never wept. I am a snake bound to the ground, love in the sky that won't come down. You are the bird, so wild, so free, and I am the earth. Blue, I don't cry, I renew. Every bird needs the sky, every sky needs the ground, and love is the silence between sound.